Guys, good morning. I don't know which day of quarantine is this. It's the second day of the 21-day lockdown. That's all I know. But I've been home for the past 1.5 weeks now. It's going to be 2 weeks. But yeah, so stay home, stay safe, stay well, boost your immunity. I hope you guys have seen the video that I posted before this. And I'm also having my lemon water every day morning before having anything else. Have your lemon water. It's very, very good for your health. Anyway, all that apart, I decided I'm going to vlog today because I just thought why not vlog, because there's nothing else to do. And today is my baby's birthday. Today is Scotch's birthday. So I thought why not vlog. It'll be a good day to vlog and just share what I do in the day with you guys. Also, I've just woken up, if you can see, so don't mind the appearance. But yeah, have your lemon water. I just help my mom with the house. So I'll tell you how our duties have been divided. My dad does the jhadu, I do the pocha. My mom does the cooking because obviously that's one of the major tasks and no one knows how to cook. My brother and I do the dusting, the everyday dusting here and there. So yeah, that's how we have divided our chores in the house. I hope you all are helping your mothers doing the everyday work, because obviously our moms can't do everything alone. So yeah, you'll see snippets of that. I just finished the pocha. I couldn't take a aesthetic video of that because I was just not looking good. So yeah, I am now having my lemon water as I told you guys, and then I will get freshened up and then I'll meet you after that. I'm going to make you guys meet Scotch because it's his birthday. He's turning 8, my baby. I'm going to even bake a cake for him today. So yeah, until that, I'm going to have my lemon water and catch you guys in some time.
आज किसका birthday? Whose birthday it is today? Who's gonna be 8 years old? My little baby is gonna be 8 years old. आज किसका birthday? Yes, cutie. Cutie. Say hi to everyone, boo boo. Say hi to everyone. He's feeling very hot, but I love it.
I just lit a candle to set the vibe. This is the Body Shop Sugar Lemon Zest candle. It smells amazing. It smells like lemon and sugar and just all things nice. So yeah, I have taken bath and I'm all freshened up. I did my Surya Namaskars. I did 50. I took bath and now I'm all fresh. I just wanted to do my morning skincare routine, so I thought why not do it with you guys. So yeah, what are you guys doing at home? And if you hear Scotch snoring, please don't mind because he is having his siesta time. He's sleeping. I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin E toner to tone my face. Also, I'm getting so many breakouts. Can you see this on my forehead? I don't know why. No idea. I hope it goes. I don't know. Maybe it's the heat, or maybe it's because of the shit that I'm eating on a daily basis, chips and all of that. I don't know, but it is not looking nice. Look at that. Whatever. So yeah, I am just toning my face. What do you guys do? Yeah, now after this I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm gonna edit my video and then maybe watch some YouTube videos and then maybe read a book. I also have my online lectures today. So yeah, I also have to bake a cake for Scotch. I'm not good at all this, but I'm gonna try it. I just saw a video on YouTube, so we'll see how that goes. It's a carrot cake. So yeah, with the help of my mom, I think I'll do that, and then we'll cut the cake for scotch. I'm just gonna let this soak in for a minute or two. Also, I'm literally in my home clothes. Please don't mind, because I don't know, I don't want to get ready. I'm anyway just gonna be home and not do anything absolutely. So I just thought, I hope it's fine. I'm literally in my pajamas, but yeah. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use Emoline. You can find this in your medical. Don't go now, but yeah, you can find this in your medical. I really like this. It's really nice. It's really moisturizing, and it's really pocket friendly. Because I have so much time in my hands, I do all this time pass, which I don't do on a daily basis. I just like moving my fingers like this on my face. Just give myself a nice quick massage. See, you have so much time on your hands. You can do whatever you feel like all over my face. I don't know if it does anything, but I just like doing it. Then I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. This is the photo staple one. You can find it at any medical. Apply sunscreen even when you're at home. It's really important. Even if you're not stepping out, even if you're gonna be home the whole day, it's very important to apply sunscreen. So I am going to do that. And whatever's left, I just take it on my hands like that. And then I'm gonna apply my lip balm, which is the Laneige lip balm. I love it. It's amazing. And that's it. That's my morning skincare routine. Short and sweet. I just hope my skin gets better. I have a lot of breakouts here, everywhere, but whatever. It'll get okay. But yeah, that's my morning skincare routine. I'm gonna go have breakfast. My mom's made idli upma. If any of you are South Indians, you'll know what is idli upma. I'll show you. And then I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, I'm gonna meet you when I have my breakfast.
About dreams, they do come true.
Guys, if you are looking to watch something on Netflix or if you're bored, please watch Self-Made, inspired by the life of Madam C.J. Walker. It's so inspiring. It's a real life story. Madam C.J. Walker was the first female millionaire in America, the United States. It is so inspiring how she became what she was and how from nothing she went on to being so much. If you have a dream, if you're ambitious, and if you're looking for inspiration, please watch Self-Made. Please, it's on Netflix. Please watch it. I am now going to be baking for scotch, and for the cake what you will need is carrots, eggs, a little bit of vegetable oil, and atta, wheat flour. That's all. That's all you need to bake a cake for your pet. I'm going to do that and I'll show you. First, you're going to obviously remove the skin of the carrot. Once that is done, I'm going to grate it with a grater. Yeah. Now that we have the carrots all grated, I'll show you what to do next. Now I'm going to add in the egg. I'm going to add in a little bit of milk. Add in some vegetable oil or olive oil. Then I'm going to add in the atta, the wheat flour. And 1 cup water. Add half a spoon peanut butter just for taste because there's no sugar, nothing. And it's his birthday, so he can have a little bit of sweet. Now I'm going to coat this microwavable bowl with some oil so that it doesn't stick to it. Now I'm going to heat this for like 10-15 seconds. Now I'm going to microwave this for 8 to 10 minutes and then we'll see how it is. It's not going to be very fluffy because obviously there's no baking soda or baking powder in it. But yeah, 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to be washing all the dishes that I use for baking the cake because help your mom do the work. So I'm going to do that now. And you're going to see. You're not able to see it, but I'm doing it. So yeah, help your mom out. My mom's pets. You guys, my mom thought that she's gonna get to eat the cake. She thought she can eat the cake. It's a dog's cake. Now I'm gonna decorate this cake with some of his cookies.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Yay!
Okay.
हो गया मियाँ बीबी का बर्थडे. हो गया बीबी का बर्थडे. कैसा लगा बीबी को केक? अच्छा लगा. He finished the whole thing. I'm so happy. And wear his collar. Kiss you there. I love you, baby.
Update time. My online lecture is now going to start. So I need to prepare and I need to get my books out and all of that jazz. So,
Bad books.
I am now going to have my lectures for the next 2 hours. So I'm going to meet you once that's over. Over. I'm now gonna have my cold coffee, chill, watch some YouTube videos, and then maybe read a book. I'm reading Pajamas Are Forgiving by Twinkle Khanna, and my hair won't go off my face. So yeah, I'm gonna have this. Cheers. Hi guys, it's night time now. I'm sorry I didn't vlog because I was not doing anything really, so I didn't know what to vlog. But now I'm gonna have my virtual movie night with my best friends. So this is the thing that we do: is we watch a movie together every night, the same movie, all three of us. So tonight we're gonna watch The Bucket List. So this is something that you guys can do with your best friends. But yeah, that's all that I did today, and I wanted to vlog it just to share with you guys what I do in a day. It's not much, but it's something. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are staying home. I hope you're staying safe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.